This is our third exercise. This is the third isometric model. So total length of the part is 70 mm, height is 28 plus 17.5 mm, and total width is 35 mm. So in order to obtain this object, first we have to draw the base. First we have to draw one rectangle and dimension as 70 and 12 mm. Select file, new, part file, select OK. Okay, now select sketch, take one rectangle command. From origin point, draw one rectangle, take dimensions, select the horizontal line, make dimension as 70 mm as shown in the isometric part. Length is 70, height is 12. Enter 70 mm. Next, height is 12 mm. Go for isometric, select isometric view, select extruded boss base command. Width is 35 mm. Enter 35 mm and select OK. So this is the base of the isometric object. Now select right face. See in this drawing, in right face we have to obtain this shape. So select right face followed by right view, select sketch, take rectangle command. From this top right corner, draw one rectangle, take 3-point arc, 3 pt arc. We can see it is as 3 pt arc. It means 3-point arc. Click on it, select left corner and select right corner and place it on the exact center. Okay. Next, take dimension, take height as, from bottom it is 28 mm. So 28 minus base 12 mm, it will be 16 mm. So 28 minus 12. Next, dimension the arc. Arc is 17.5, radius is 17.5. 17.5. Okay. Now select isometric view. So here in center it is one circle, its diameter is 15 mm. So take circle, from center point draw one circle, make dimension, diameter as 15 mm, diameter as 15 mm. Select sketch trim command, select sketch trim, trim this horizontal line, trim this horizontal line. Okay, now select isometric view, extruded boss base. Okay, here see select reverse direction, select reverse direction. Extruding, this is extruding, we have to extrude away from the sketch, select reverse direction, thickness as 12 mm as shown in the isometric part. It is thickness is 12 mm. Enter 12, select OK. Okay, now select back view, back face, sketch, take rectangle command. From top right corner, base top right corner, draw one rectangle, take 3-point arc. From top right corner to top left corner and center point, 3 points, first point, second point and third point. Select circle command. From center point draw one circle, make dimension. Height is, in previous we have seen 28 minus 12 is 16 mm. Next, do the dimensioning for the arc. Radius as 17.5 mm. Diameter of the circle is 15 mm. Okay, select sketch trim. Trim this horizontal line. Go for isometric view. Extruded boss base. It is away from the sketch, so it should be towards the our side. So select reverse direction. Thickness as 12 mm. Enter OK. So this is our isometric object. Now select dimension from left corner to right corner. Make dimension here from right corner to left corner. Next, here select, just click on this arc and click here. It is 17.5. Click on this circle. Next, height is 28. Here it is 16 mm. Thickness is 12 mm. Here its thickness is 12 mm. Is also 12 mm. So these are the dimensions for this. Now save the file. Okay.